We're back with the B-Rad project.
We're back at it.
And Brad. So, what we trying to do today, man?
I know you said button up the engine. We got the fuel. Why ain't it open?
I don't know.
Cause you ain't get up. Fuel rail, fuel injector. There we go. No surprises.
So, in the fire, this was one of the cables that sustained a lot of damage, and we need to disconnect it in there because we got a new one. So this is one of the final pieces on the front of the engine that we need to replace before we can close everything back up. So last time we replaced all the injectors with new tubing and new seals, but we did not replace this tubing, that tubing, that tubing, or that tubing over there. And we absolutely should. We're debating on whether we should try and get the tubing off with the rail installed, but it looks like it'll be easier to take the whole rail off again to install the new tubing. So that's what we're gonna do. We took the fuel rail off in the last video, so we did the same thing this time that we did previously. So we got the fuel rail off, but now we need to take off this tubing and the rest of the tubing that is on the fuel rail, and it is not coming off easily. So you see us over here fighting. That's what we're fighting. So Brad got the tube off the old one, and the new tubing we got is just,
Or do you think it's the same? Hold up.
just a bit too loose. We'll see if there's a smaller size.
What is this? What is?
Recording.
Dang, I don't have the receipt. Oh yeah, those in my car.
And I finally got this one off.
So what we gotta get? Clamps and different hose.
Yeah. So these clamps, I don't know why, but the metal just
Brittle.
It just yields.
It
doesn't spring back. So we're having trouble getting the clamps off, and we're gonna get some more too. See, my man Tom over here doing some work on his motorcycle, but he don't want to be on YouTube. But that's nice bike. He's rebuilding the carburetor, but he don't want to be on YouTube because he already got enough going on. So Brad is just cutting the new tube to the lengths of the old tube. We're going to install it, and then on to the next thing. He's using a pipe cutter. I've never seen that, but it's working.
No, I don't think it was tight enough. Should have did that from the jizzy. Does Kendall sell cars?
Huh?
Kendall, does he sell cars?
Yeah, so I'm putting a little bit of WD-40 in here to make it easier to go on, because these are as hard to put on as the other ones will take off. But with that, oh, hey, put some WD-40, it goes on there nice and easy.
Alright, that's the back, so that's gonna go like that.
I'd like to take a minute to appreciate Brad's shirt. As a fan of all martial arts movies, of all the Karate Kids, of the Karate Kids reboot, Cobra Kai, and of course, a fan of Mortal Kombat, he showed up in this shirt, and I was just tickled. All right, back to the work. Ooh, yours went on easier than that?
Well, yeah, it went on easy.
This one might be... Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's the right size. I like that size. I like that. I like our lifestyle.
Yeah. I like how we live. Oh, wait, clamp. Oh, you got it on. Okay.
Thank you.
Did I put that clamp on?
I'm sure you did.
Nah, I don't think I did, champ.
Well, one of us did. It's on there.
I just saw you struggling with something, though.
I think that was this one here.
New tubing, baby. New tubing.
Yeah.
New hosing, I'm sorry. New hose.
New hose. It's all prepped up. Now we can put it back on. Looks good. We were dreading taking it off, but once it got off and it got new stuff on, we're happy we did it.
2 hours later.
Yeah, so we got the fuel rail reseated, and now we're just playing the game of getting all these clamps back on.
You see where that goes, right? All right.
This goes
Up under that, yep.
under here.
Yep. And then that'll screw in, yep.
Need a flat hizzy. I got, do I got it? I got it right here. I got it right here.
All right.
Glizzy. Jenna's little girl scooted on the Glizzy.
She what?
Her little girls, the girl she coaches.
She's what?
Scooter on Glizzy. What it means?
What do you mean?
Glizzy.
Yeah.
Like the wiener.
Yeah.
Hot dog.
Yeah.
They had to school her.
Oh, okay. I said that to AJ one day, man. I was like, yo, we're gonna have I said, AJ, you want 2 glizzies? He was like, Daddy, what are glizzies? I was like, yo, don't worry about it. What?
A little magnet thing. A little magnet poke.
Oh, you a bugging. You see it, or is it in arm's reach?
Pokey with the magnet.
Oh, right there. Seems to be the longest. Got it. Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to put this on, and you're not going to be able to see it, but we're going to have to pull off that little clip before we can remove the old one. And it lives in there. Can you see it? There it is. I got it off, but it broke.
What did?
The connection. No, not the part we need to connect to, just the part that I was pulling off. Let's see if I can get the new one on. No, I think some of the old one might still be on it. Yeah, the new one supposed to just snap right on. I think I'm hitting something. No, it looks clear. Let's try it again. Got it on. So now, I don't know if we'll get to it today, but now we can button up the front. Put the thermostat, housing and everything back together and start closing up the front of the engine.
You ready?
Here we were getting ready to get under the car for the first time.
Hey, it's fine. All right. So I can keep going? Or should I? You want me to wait?
Wait right there.
I need to go out one more.
All right.
Yep, I'm good over here.
All right. So Brad is up under there taking off all the fasteners that are on the undercarriage cup. And he's not having a good time because dirt is falling in his eyes. All right. Let's see what this oil looks like.
Oh, wow. That was easy.
Yeah.
Bruh, that was too easy.
That's just too easy. No. Too easy. Too easy. No. Too easy. I'm through. I don't play no more. We won't play no more, man.
It's coming out, but it don't look all that bad. It's kind of watery. It doesn't look that bad at all. But we're gonna let it drain for a while.
How's it smell?
It don't smell bad neither. Okay, it smells like old stuff.
Does it?
Yeah. It don't smell like what you say, old hot dog water. That was so funny to me. I'm guessing this took 5W30, but yeah, it didn't look that bad.
Yeah, 5 dub. 5 dub.
Yeah.
5 dub.
We'll let it drain for the rest of the time we're here because it's old oil. All right, so we're calling it quits for today. We got all the new hosing on the fuel rail. We got new gasket for the thermostat housing, but we don't have the coolant compatible RTV, so we're gonna push that to next time. We drain the oil and I think we have a good lay of the land. I really want to start this thing sooner rather than later. Oh yeah, and then of course we finally replaced this. And we're noticing other issues with the harness, like I don't know where this went, but it's no longer connected. We're gonna have to address that. But yeah, we'll probably put the intake back on and see how much we can get done next time. And Brad, you got a car cover. That's nice. The next video for the B-Rad project is already in the works, and if you'd like to see it, hit subscribe. If you'd like to see the things that have got us to this point, check out our playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.